All right, guys, what everyone's been waiting for. Well, maybe not everyone, but the people that wanted raw taillights. So this is our JL version, our 25-1150. Our originals are the 25-1050s. But let me just show you what we got. So you're going to notice tail gunner, raw aluminum. Look at that, pretty fun. Even has like a raw aluminum look. So I'm going to open the box up. We're going to see what we get. Actually, I already know what we get because I kind of designed what was in the box with some help with some friends. Foam. So you're going to get your carefully packaged taillights. Taillight there. We're just going to throw stuff around. So exactly the same setup. It's only raw. So you get a nice beveled perimeter. You got your laser etched logo, side markers and signals, main lamp with reverse. So everything's there. So you may notice that there's no gasket here. That's okay, because you're going to paint it or powder coat it or anodize it. So what you got here in the box is going to be your gasket material. So when you're ready, when it's the color you want, you're basically going to peel that, follow the shape, stick it on, and that's going to give you that buffer between the two surfaces so you don't scratch any paint. It gives you a nice little clean buffer. So what else we have? We're going to have our hardware. So everything you need to put it on. Outward facing bolts are black stainless. Gives you that stealth look. These guys are our J hooks. So basically I'll show you on an install video, but they're going to follow the profile inside. And that's going to hold the taillight in on this side, and then these are on the outside. So kind of like so. And you're going to just follow that through where the OEM taillight came out. You're going to add a washer and a nut. And then basically you're going to pop the taillight out for installation. I'm going to show it to you anyways, but it can go all the way through this gasket. It doesn't really matter. So that's going to allow you to be able to tighten those guys. And allows you to paint it all nice. So now that I've destroyed this, I'm going to move on to the one that isn't destroyed, just so it looks better. But yeah, so that's what you get. So 25-1150, the JL, so that's 2018 to present day Wrangler JL. 4-door, 2-door, obviously doesn't matter. Easy bolt-on, OEM plug-and-play, removable harness. And then there's all kinds of other videos, but you're going to get your plugs for your, if you remove the resistor. So those guys. So everything you need's in the kit. All hand tools. Like I said, I'm going to go over and do a video probably right now. I'll be in the exact same clothes and hat and socks and no underwear. So let me do that video. Thanks so much. Regular taillight, original black, powder coated, UV coated, 25-1050. Our new raw version with the cool laser etched logo. Let you do anything you want. Is going to be a 25-1150. If you have any questions, always we're open to those. You can do in the comments, email us, Instagram, Facebook, soon to be TikTok. And yeah, that's it.